Alright people, today we're gonna look on the Jamaicans. Them were very forgetful once they come a foreign. I say you have some Jamaicans in it, say as soon as they get little bus to go foreign and they reach a little roundabout with a part of Tonsaga Port Royal and a part of Tonsaga Airport. He says they reach a part of Tonsaga Airport, then forget everything about Jamaica. Not if you call and say Auntie Maxine me reach, Punsi me reach, nothing. Then come a foreign and they say, yes, big up them chest me arrive. 2, 3, 4, 5 months, years upon years and a year, nothing from them. So you decide to give them a courtesy call, then I answer the phone. You see, over here when I want to answer on the phone and I go talk about, oh, but I answer that because them too beg, I must something them a beg. No, and I must not them a beg. People care. People want to know how you do, because guess what? From you left Jamaica, you go over there, we not hear from you. If I never social media, would I think say no found no dead. Because when you come over here and now floss and now hype and now put it over there and up there, people are soon and people just want to hear, you know, just want to hear from you if you know, alright, oh no do. Don't get me wrong, you know, people have to work hard over here. Don't get me wrong, they work hard. But you see, you have your friend where you and them come from a long time, they used to play marble, play Chinese skip, fly kite together, do hopscotch, all these things. Oh, you forget a friend like that. You can't forget my daughter play a music box. You can't forget a friend like that. Because guess what? At the end of the day, Jamaica, you come from a push, come to shove, there you have to go back. Someone over here, oh, me a citizen. You citizen where? Me and my blue book. Your book could have blue look more, because I guess if Uncle Sam, Sister Canada, or Brother England, so them don't want to know them place, so no gots to go home. So don't forget friend like them there. Over here, years upon years, I mean, know so someone have to work 20 hours out of 24 hours, and yes, the body require adequate sleep. But they can't send a 50 go give your friend, man. If you don't have a 50, you have a 30, say, boy, I not have the 50, I have 30, I have to take 10 out of 10. Yes, nothing wrong with that. You have some out there, if you stop it to call and a beg money for unnecessary things. You see your friend, you see your friend come from a Brazilian ear, so you want Brazilian ear, you want Remy, and you want Alman or Evil. No, and I say it work. Yeah, ask for things where you need. People, if you know over here, you can't afford to give them it. But to me, know over here, me honestly don't have no $300 for give nobody for go buy a Remy here. Me know you want like a food or something, understand. You see, the first time you come I left from over here, go back to Jamaica, I say my mother have to ask me if the whole of Jamaica I want to carry Kongi. Because I know I never have clothes and shoes to give everybody. So you know, I do me pack a little barrel of food. Yes, with me hard earn cash. Because then time I didn't get nothing in food stamp. You understand me? And I pack one little barrel, little jasmine, basmati, little bumblebee, tuna, macaroni and cheese, the little M&M, the way you buy the bag, then you just sprinkle them over the barrel. Yes, I buy all of them, so I carry them go give away. My friend then can't tell you now who me then get to get up to make sure so I can have so if I ever get a piece of jerk chicken or a piece of fish or something. You know, forget people. Because Jamaica one of the few places where I know about. Yes, when time the people in the want in the country and deport, you know, Jamaicans welcome you back with open arms. Open arms. After you come here for years and forget them. When you help people, man, someone don't come here and go back out there. You don't look so good, you don't have to carry one shirt or one shoes. So no friend, someone want to carry one dirty shoes, one dirty pants. Underwear long time over here. You don't take people for people are not scavenger. Jamaicans them have them things to can enough for them messing with things. When they go they go say boy in a winter boot and winter at me. I found the film ears them not hurt him and I need that they muffle at them. But anyway, they're next cake like fish. But yeah, go out there and look so good. You look like $1 million. Make your friend look like $500,000 no? Make your friend look like $500,000 or even 25,000. You can't out there. You cannot go there and look like, I don't know if you say your friend look shabby. And guess, at the end of the day, other people not even look shabby neither. Because people are look good and people are buy them things. Because people not depend if people out there was supposed to depend on people like over here if they look good. Some of them that never look good at the end of them life. So if you can't help people, man, stop. Lose this mentality about Jamaicans that call on for beg. Some not look somebody for beg. Some people not call for beg. No, nothing. Some not because people know so no mean like star pro. Not drop off a tree. So if you can't help somebody, help them, man. You understand me? Anyways, this is Chrissy. May I say like up the video and share it up on all of these things. And until next time, peace out. And please leave a comment in the box. Yes, sayers, naysayers, it don't matter to me. You understand? Because people know me attack, some people know the struggle. Just leave a comment in the box. So until next time, Chrissy, this I say, peace out.